In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark an invoice as paid in Xero. Whether you're a small business owner or managing the finances of a larger corporation, tracking payments efficiently is key to ensuring your financial records are accurate and up to date. Xero is a powerful tool for managing your accounting needs, and today, we'll walk through the steps to mark one of your invoices as paid, which is an essential skill for keeping your accounts receivable in check. First, let's dive into Xero's dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by your dashboard. This is your central hub for navigating all things related to your business finances. From here, you'll have a clear view of the financial overview of your business, including outstanding invoices and payments that are pending. Now let's move to the next part. You need to click on the awaiting payment link. This section is where you'll find invoices that have been sent out but are currently pending payment. It's crucial to keep a close eye on this list to ensure that your cash flow runs smoothly. Once you're in the awaiting payment section, you'll need to find the specific invoice you wish to mark as paid. For this example, we're looking for the invoice with the reference code MK8155. Clicking on this reference will take you directly to the invoice details, allowing you to review all the pertinent information before proceeding. Next, you'll see an option to add payment for this invoice. Click on that button, which opens up a window for entering the payment details. This is where you'll specify the details of the payment being made. To accurately record this transaction, make sure you have all the necessary information at your fingertips, such as the payment method and the date the payment was received. After clicking Add Payment, the next step is to select the account where this payment is being deposited. Click on Select Account and choose the appropriate account. In our case, we are selecting the business bank account, labeled 09D Business Bank Account. Choosing the correct account ensures that the payment reflects accurately in your bank feed and accounting reports. Once you have selected the account, you'll notice the highlighted payment details that you've just entered. Review this information to ensure everything is correct. Double checking here can save time and trouble down the road, especially when reconciling your accounts later. Finally, the last step is to click on Add. By doing so, you finalize the entry of this payment into Xero, marking the invoice as paid. This will update your accounting records, effectively taking the invoice off your awaiting payment list and reflecting it accurately in your financial statements. And there you have it. You've successfully marked an invoice as paid in Xero. By following these steps, you're maintaining accurate records and ensuring that your business's financial flow remains smooth and transparent. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching and happy bookkeeping.